Hey, tech enthusiasts, how's it going? Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of AI and how it's totally reshaping our future. Buckle up. First up, demand forecasting. Imagine a world where businesses can predict exactly what you want before you even know it yourself. AI dialogues are making this happen, transforming how companies plan and stock their products. Pretty futuristic, right? Next, deep research. Forget your basic Google searches. AI is taking research to new depths, uncovering information and connections that we humans might never even consider. It's like having a super smart assistant 24/7. Banking careers. AI is shaking things up there too. With AI handling more tasks, banking professionals are focusing on more complex strategic roles. It's a career shift like no other. Then, the Aadhaar experience in AI. Just like Aadhaar revolutionized identity in India, foundational AI aims to set a solid groundwork for all future AI developments. Big changes ahead. Let's talk prompt engineering. The rise of this new field is making it easier to communicate with AI systems. It's like speaking a new language that unlocks endless possibilities. Hollywood's got its own AI dilemma. Should they use AI for film promos? It's a hot debate, but one thing's for sure, AI's here to stay in the entertainment industry. And superheroes. AI is changing how these films are made, from special effects to scripts. The future of cinema is looking super exciting. Even the Beatles are in on the AI action. Their Grammy nods spotlight the ongoing debate in the music industry about AI's role in creating art. Music and tech a match made in heaven? Wearable tech is getting an AI upgrade too. Imagine total wellness at your fingertips, with AI monitoring and advising on your health in real time. Healthy living just got a whole lot smarter. Big data is saving lives. Using AI to analyze massive data sets, we can predict and prevent health crises. It's like having a crystal ball for public health. Lastly, tech's getting more people into clinical trials. AI's identifying ideal candidates, speeding up the process and making trials more inclusive. It's a win-win for science and humanity. That's a wrap on this AI roundup. Exciting times ahead, folks. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one.